welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Taylor J, and go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. I'm at this restaurant called The Menu. Yes, D-A-M-E-N-U. And I'm about to try some soul food, so let's see what this hitting for. So I ordered lamb chops that come over rice. I got my collard greens, hot sauce and fish with collard greens, and then I got some red velvet cake. I hope y'all can hear me over the air blowing. Alright, now it's time for a taste test. I do want to take a picture. Can you take a picture of mine? People know. You like it? Can I drink? Yeah, they Mac Valley. Yeah, you can taste that though. What type of sauce is this? What is that? It smells sweet.
Before I guess I'm gonna say it's probably one car start to
You don't like it?
Yeah.
I want to try it, but now you got me not wanting to. It smells good. Yellow rice. Red. I'll taste this thing. Everything good so far. All right. Oh, it's hot. Lamb chop. Everything about chicken. It's a good spot. Real good. Have you ever in Atlanta? Actually, Douglasville, we in Douglasville. You ever over this way? Check out the menu, for real. After this, we going to the gun range. So I'm gonna eat my food. When I try to wear velvet, I come back on camera, but I'm about to demolish this for real. And I know y'all probably tired of seeing me, so. Alright, I forgot to show y'all I got some peach lemonade. I mean, strawberry lemonade as well. I don't drink no peach. I don't even know why I just said that. Top tier. Strawberry lemonade. Okay, let's do this red velvet. Man, they really seal this thing.
Okay.
Only got a clean spoon left, so I'm gonna use my spoon. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. This whole place a 10. Everything good. Ooh, that's real good. The menu, y'all did y'all big.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey.
All right, y'all. So we just pulled up to the gun range. Ooh, I was a bit thirsty, but I gotta put some shoes on. I was wearing sandals earlier, but I'm pretty sure I gotta wear shoes inside of here because it's a gun range. I think that's how it was back home. This is my first time going to one in Georgia, but I just brought some socks and some Nikes to put on real quick. It was getting warm up on her. So yeah, I'm about to go inside. Hey, my shoe not tied. Shoe ain't tied. So I was wearing black sandals. I just got these Air Vapor Max. All right, I'm bringing my juice in. It's a mess in this car now because we got all our food everywhere, but we'll clean it up later. Put to the keys. Here go the keys. I gotta lock the door. And yeah, let's go.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed.
Got the ammo. Got the ears, and I'm already wearing glasses, so I just gotta put these in before we go. And I got my target.
On the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Blowing many kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight.
Okay, y'all, so that's a wrap for the gum ring. Just got to Target, coming in here for some ice cream, but look at these sunglasses, huh? Is that a yay or a nay? Let me know. Yo, why is this the third Target we're going to for this ice cream? If this ice cream not in this store, I swear to God. Yeah. All right, so we finally found them. Every other store didn't have this flavor, so how many we get?
2 for $9.
They all sell 2 for $9. Y'all, why am I late to my dentist appointment? Why the door shut?
People trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's like, though, I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I'm ready for the video.
Here we are. We at Buckhead Dentistry. This is my first time. I'm about to get some more x-rays. She said the first one was just on my jaw, and these ones are up close. Oh, some person.
I love it.
Period. That's what I love about being out here. I just recently moved here.
From where?
Ohio.
Okay. Yeah. They didn't know they weren't okay with that. I'm not in Ohio.
It's not like as it's not as common where I'm from.
Yeah.
So like vlogging is not like everybody. I mean, people look at you, but it's accepted here versus
Right,
there.
it is.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna bring you up. All right, love. So we're gonna get some pictures. It's gonna be like 18 pictures.
Okay.
But we gotta do this for like 5 more years.
Good.
All right. Let's get these. Perfect.
Well, I see 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight.
Oh, y'all got 2 brushes that say y'all. That's fire.
You know, sometimes it's just a little bit.
That's branding for you right there.
Yeah. So, what I'm going to need is this referral for your wisdom teeth.
Okay.
This is just one of the offices that we use. You don't have to go there.
Okay.
For any reason they don't take your insurance or anything like that. You can take this anywhere, okay?
All right, y'all. So I'm leaving. I showed y'all the little goodie bag I got. Okay, wait. They lock you in here. But I got this cute folder. I ain't show y'all that part because I gotta get my wisdom teeth removed, which I knew it was coming, but they said you might as well get them out even though they're not bothering you. So I got a schedule for that. So this is my referral for that appointment. But I'm about to head to work. So yeah. How are you? No, this is a perfect time. How are you? Hi.
He hasn't looked as tired the whole time.
Okay. I want to see all that work you've been putting in.
Fuck me, bro.
I ain't gonna bother you during your workout. Okay. All right, y'all. So I changed my clothes and I'm running errands, so I stopped here. Y'all, this is my first Asian spot I've seen with macaroni. That's crazy. That's wild. But I gotta run some errands after this, like grab a few things from the store, and after that I'm gonna work out. So work was short today though. I only had like admin to do, so I was in and out real quick. I had a meeting. Yeah, so let me try this rice. What the name of this place was? I don't know if I'm fucking with the rice.
Really like sugar rice.
I'm a Kool-Aid baby. All right, y'all. So I ain't record while I was in the store, but I just came out of JD, right? Got 2 pair of Nike socks. The 6-pack. I got 1 white, 1 black. Why is the bill $55 for some socks? Life too expensive out here, man. I ain't gonna lie. So I ended up grabbing some basics from H&M. They always got like the black, gray. I'm wearing an H&M shirt right now, so like these color solids, but they was in like t-shirt dress versions. And that's really all I got besides those socks I was talking about earlier. Now it's time to go run errands. All right, y'all, so first errand, Sam's Club. Dennis recommended an electric toothbrush. I have not been that grown yet, so here we are. We upgrade in today. And that's what we gonna get. I just stopped at Zaxby's and got their loaded fries. If you never had these, it come with chicken, bacon, and ranch. Slap. Slap. I wanted to show y'all what I got from H&M. After Sam's Club, I went to Walmart. It's just groceries in the bag, nothing major. So these are dresses I was talking about. Little t-shirt dress. I got orange. I got the black one. I got the red one. I got the dark gray, olive green, and regular gray. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. This is gonna be the end of this vlog for real, because I'm not doing nothing for the rest of the day besides chilling.